If you need a new license plate in Illinois, you've got a few ways to get it done. You can apply in person at a Secretary of State facility, send in the vehicle transaction application form by mail, or submit your request online. If your plates were stolen, or if you're asking for just one replacement plate, you'll need to go in person to a facility. The cost depends on what you need replaced. One plate is $6, both plates are $9, and if you also need a new sticker, it's $20. A plate and sticker together cost $26, while 2 plates and a sticker are $29. If you lost only one plate and still have the other, you can keep the same plate number. Just hold on to the one you still have, fill out the replacement form, pay the fee, and the state will issue a matching plate. If both plates are gone, you'll normally get a brand new number. But if you want to keep your old number, you can make a special request when you submit your form and payment. That's really all there is to it.